Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Ayshwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Bite wing radiograph. Today we are going with bite wing radiograph. Indication why we use bite wing radiograph, what it is. Bite wing radiograph is used and how it is. This is the film. This is the wing which is placed between the occlusion of the tooth at the occlusion. Examining it is used for examination of interproximal surface of the tooth. The tooth which is having interproximal surface is between the tooth. If anything is present between the tooth, whether it is calculus or caries, at that time we use detection of secondary caries. If there is a restoration done, if think this is the restoration done and here the caries are occurring, at that time bite wing radiography is done for detection of the caries, secondary caries below restoration or interproximal caries when the caries is present at the interproximal area. Periodontal condition, how the periodontal condition is there, how the periodontal ligaments is present in the teeth. Alveolar crest, change in the bone height, whether the bone is well developed, underdeveloped, how much the alveolar crest height is there, calculus deposition in the interproximal areas, whether there is a calculus deposition between the tooth. So this is the indication of the bite wing radiograph. Principle how it is placed, how it is done. Film is placed parallel to the crown of both upper and lower. The film is placed parallel to the both upper lower teeth. This is parallel. Okay. Film stabilization when patient bite on the bite wing tab or bite wing film holder. When the patient bite on the bite wing, the film gets stabilized. CR of the X-ray beam directed through contact area of the tooth. This is the central rays. These are directed towards the contact area of the teeth using A plus 10 degree vertical angulation. Radiograph for molars, the vertical angulation is plus 10 degree, and for premolars also the vertical angulation is plus 10 degree. In this, it is placed between the maxillary and mandibular molar. The radiograph which comes is crown of maxillary as well as the mandibular molar. Here also the radiograph is radiograph of maxillary and mandibular both. Crown up till here the radiograph. Film is placed between the tongue of the mouth and the lingual surface of the tooth. The film is placed where? Between the tongue and the lingual surface of the tooth. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.